Respected seniors and dear friends in MOS, greetings from Nagpur. Thanks to your support, I had the privilege of being the Secretary of MOS in the year 2018 and 19 and prove it to be a very memorable year. We had MOS assisted continuing ophthalmic education programs at the district level. We had 4 specific programs for the PGs all over the state, and these programs were a huge success. The Eye Donation Awareness Week created a history in the form of a film on eye donation, a first for MOS. All the participants, all the eye surgeons played a major role as actors in the film. The Glaucoma Awareness Rally, which was conducted the same day, same time, all over the state, created not only a history in the state, but also at the all India level. The AIOS complimented us and decided to adopt this kind of a rally all over the country. The MOS MOSCON 2019 in Nagpur was again a very huge success. We had many firsts. There was a MOS help desk to help you all in MOS related matters. There was a young ophthalmologist session addressed by eminent speakers like Professor Rasik Vajpayee from Australia and Dr. Shekhar Mande, Director General of CSIR. Both of them spoke very inspirational to the youngsters. Teachers in ophthalmology session was very useful for all the teachers in ophthalmology. Many things could be achieved in that year, but yet many things remain to be done. I have a dream for ophthalmology in the state, for MOS. Please share, please support. There are 3 things which are essential. First is your support, second is your participation, and third is electing your representatives who will have vision, who will have the will to make this dream into a reality. Please support, please request others to support, please decide to support and vote Dr. Anand Pangarkar for 2nd Vice President's post in the MOS in the ensuing elections. You could also request your colleagues and seniors to please vote for him. I know together we can certainly do it. Let us march towards the aim of making MOS the best ophthalmologist organization in the country. The online voting will start from 28th October. Please be vigilant and please cast your vote. It's not your support, it's not your vote, but the registration of the vote which will count. Friends, I appeal to you once again. In the meanwhile, please take care, please be safe. Best wishes for a healthy times in these times of Corona for you and your family, and best wishes for the festivals in the season. Thank you.